Isha, what's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries. They're so sweet. What about you?
I like apples. They are crunchy and juicy.
Apples are good too. Have you tried green apples?
Yes, they are a bit sour. I like red ones more.
I like both. They are great in fruit salad.
Have you ever eaten a mango?
No, I haven't. Is it tasty?
Yes, it's very sweet and juicy. You should try it.
I will ask my mom to buy some.
Do you like bananas?
Yes. They are easy to eat and very yummy.
I like to have bananas for breakfast. They give me energy.
Me too. They are good in smoothies.
What about grapes? Do you like them?
Yes, I love grapes. They are small and sweet.
Red or green grapes?
I like red grapes. They are sweeter.
Do you know about kiwi? It's fuzzy outside but green inside.
Yes, I have tried it. It's a little sour but good.
My mom makes a fruit salad with kiwi, strawberries, and bananas.
That delicious. I want to try it.
We should have a fruit party with all our friends.
Yes. Everyone can bring their favorite fruit.
It will be so much fun. I can't wait.
Me too. I love fruit adventures with you, Saman.